Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving you are eligible. Use your school email or an enrollment document so verification is immediate. Once you have that, sign into or create a Lenovo account using your student address. This links identity to discounts. Make sure to keep a clear photo or PDF of your student ID ready because you will upload it. After that, navigate directly to Lenovo's Education or Student Offers page so you can see academic pricing and available programs before selecting a device. Now you pick the laptop or accessory you need and review academic pricing. Don't assume every model is discounted, so compare configurations. When prompted, upload your verification document or connect your Unidays/Sheer ID account. Once validated, the academic price should appear. Make sure to add warranty or upgrade options here if you want them. If you have a separate promo code, enter it at checkout. Note that some codes cannot stack, so prioritize the best reduction and confirm the final price before proceeding. Finish by double-checking the total, academic discount, taxes, shipping, and return terms. Then complete payment with your preferred method. After purchase, save the order number, confirmation email, and upload warranty registration if available. This protects your student pricing and future claims. If verification or discount fails at checkout, try re-uploading a clearer ID or using a school email. If problems persist, contact Lenovo support via chat or phone and reference your student verification attempt so they can resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.